Hello, this is Mark Dodge, Director of Distance Learning with Greenbush, and I am here to present to you the utilization of Zoom and some of the basic functions once you are in a Zoom meeting. So I will go to my Zoom meeting, and here we are. When you're in a Zoom meeting, you have some basic functions. You'll notice at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, you have the ability to mute the microphone by clicking on the mute mic. Once you click on that mute mic button, you'll get a red line through it. That means that it's not functioning. The same is true for stop video. When I stop video, my actual camera goes away and pops my avatar, my picture. By clicking on the camera again, it turns it back on. I can also invite individuals from this. It'll give me prompts to invite through a messaging feature or through email. I can manage participants. So if there's other participants in this meeting, I'm able to mute them or rename them, or I can ask them to turn their camera off if I need to. On the chat feature, this allows me the opportunity to send instant messages or chats in a Zoom meeting, so not to disrupt the purpose of the conversation or the flow of the conversation. I can record as well. This will allow me to either record to the cloud or allow me to record to my device. I generally choose to my device so that I can use editing features later, but that's not a requirement. This is a good option for people that may not be able to attend the meeting, but the host or others can record the meeting and then digitally share the video with those that could not attend later. All right, the share screen is a feature that you'll want to know and utilize when hosting a meeting. What you will want to do to share is to click on the green up arrow, and what this does is it pulls up all of the active software that's functioning on your machine. If you need to utilize multiple applications, such as you want to show a Word document, or you want to show an Excel spreadsheet, or you want to show a video that's housed on your machine, you'll want to use the desktop version. If you simply want to stay in the Chrome web browser, you would choose this icon here. Or if you wanted to stay inside the software that's there, it would be right here. If you have multiple screens, like I do right now, you can have a desktop 1 and desktop 2. Desktop 1 is your main screen. Desktop 2 is your secondary screen. There's a whiteboard function that allows you to write on the screen on a whiteboard. There's also the ability to join with your iPhone or iPad as well. What I'll show you right now is the functions that allows you to share your desktop or screen with others. Simply choose the desktop or screen you want to share. If you're going to share a video or something with sound, you'll want to click on the Share Computer Sound. If you're also showing a video, you'll want to make sure that you click Optimize for full screen video clip. This will make the end user or your participants able to hear and see what you are showing video-wise. I click Share Screen, and now you're able to see what is on my desktop. Right now, actively, I have my Zoom Pro account dashboard up. I can minimize that, and you are actually seeing me as I function through and go through my web browser. If I were to want to pull up my Pages document, you can see the document that I'm working on because I'm able to shift through multiple applications anytime I share a desktop. When I'm finished sharing my desktop, I can click Stop Share, and we go back to our Zoom meeting. These are just some of the main functions with Zoom once you are in a meeting. As I've said earlier in our training document, the more you use Zoom, the easier you'll find it to be. You'll also find it to be very user-friendly. It is very intuitive. So to end your meeting, you will click on End Meeting, and that will stop the video play, and it will allow others to go about their business on their computers, and the meeting will officially be over. Click on End Meeting for all, and now we're back to my desktop. All right. If you have any questions about Zoom or the basic functions of Zoom, please let me know. Thank you very much.